I, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Das, from Das Tutorial, Odisha, Cuttack. So that today I discuss the miscellaneous practice set 6. Here is that 4 questions. These questions looks lengthy. You look, the questions is lengthy. So how to find the answer in 1 to 2 lines. So this is required, very much required for the competitive students. So let's go. How to find? A man spent 1/3 of his income on food, 1/3 of his income, 2/5 of his income on house rent, 2/5. Then 1/5 of its income on clothes, 1/5. If he still has 400 left with him, his income is, let's see, 1/3 is also equals to 5/15. Am I right? 2/5 also equals to 6/15 multiplied 3 here, 3 here. You reduce 3. If you reduce 3, 2/5. If you multiply 3, 6/15. So, 2/5 is equals to 6/15. 1/3 is equals to 5/15. Easy thing. Next, 1/5. 1/5 is 3/15. So, in 15 parts, if we divide his income into 15 parts, equal 15 parts, 5 parts on food, 6 parts on house rent, out of 15, 3 parts on cloth. So, out of 15 parts, he had expend what? 5, 6, 11, 3, 14. So 14/15 parts he already spent. So what to be the rest? Out of 15 part, 14 part he spent. So 1 part is left. Out of 15, 1 part is left. So 1/15. If he still has a 400 rupees left with him, so 1/15 is equals to 400 rupees. The total money is 1. Because 1/3 of 1 is 1/3. Let the income is 1. 2/5 of 1 is 2/5. 1/5 of 1 is 1/5. So the income is 1. So 1/15 parts is 400 rupees. 1 part is 400. Divide 1/15 is equals to 400 into 15 is equal to 6,000 rupees. The answer. So here is the answer. Understand? Next. Number 2. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 21 and 84 respectively. If the ratio of the two numbers is, the ratio of the two numbers is 1:4, then the larger of the two numbers is, larger one in between the two numbers is. So 1:4, if the ratio of the two numbers is 1:4, two numbers 1:4, so one number is x, so the other is 4x. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 21 and 84. Remember, in case of the LCM and HCF, the product of the two numbers is equal to product of the HCF and LCM of the two numbers. So that the multiplication of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Where is the HCF? 21. Here is HCF is 21. LCM is 84. Simple question. So implies that 4x square is equals to 21 into 84. 4, 2, 8, 1. So x square is 21 into 21. So x is 21. Right? So what the question is asked? Then the larger of the two numbers is, one number is x, other is 4x. 4x is larger, so x is 21. What to 4x? 4 into 21 is equal to 84. So this is the answer. Right? Number 3. If the sum of the squares of 3 consecutive natural number is 110, then the smallest of this natural number. This type of question, always when you go to the exam hall, first option is your to put the option on the question. If it is not possible, then you have to work out the sum. The first of your choice is how? Put the option, get the option onto the question and get the answer. Here, look at this. If the sum of the square of 3 consecutive natural number is 110, 3 natural number, their square first, then sum. We mean sum of the, whose sum? The square of 3 consecutive natural number. 3 natural number, their square, then sum. But the question is asked, the smallest of this natural number is, which one is smallest natural number? Suppose we take B first. Option is C. So 6 is the smallest natural number. The question is consecutive natural number. So 6, it is small. Then after this 7. After this 8. 8, 7, 6 into 56 is equal to 6 is 36. Carry 3. 6, 5, 30, 33 or 56, 300, 6, 6, 36. It is 336. But what is the question asked? Number is 110. The sum of, the question is like this. The question is sum of the square of the 3 consecutive number. Suppose you take 6, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square. What is the question? So 6 square, 36. After this, consecutive 7, 7 square, 49. Is consecutive 8, 8 square, 64. Then we have sum is 110. 9 for 13, 6, 19, 9. Carry 1, 6, 1, 7, 4, 11, 3, 14. But here the question is 110. So this is not the answer. If we come to, suppose A, 5. So smallest number is 5. Square. Next consecutive 6. Square. Next consecutive 7. Square. Then we find it is 25. It is 36. It is 49. Their sum is 9, 6, 15. 5. 15, 5. 22. 0, 2. 4 to 6. 3, 9 to 11. Look the answer. It is 110. So, the smallest number is 5 and the sum of the square of 3 consecutive natural number is 110 and the smallest number is 5. So, the answer is here. So, next question. This question, particularly this question, for exam, one question must. It is a G question. How to solve? You look. The question is 3 plus root 2 whole into, this is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 numerator. So denominator 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Always you remember, if it is minus, you multiply the number which is in plus. This is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 multiplied in denominator. So I bound to multiply it with the numerator. So this is square. This one is multiplied here. These are the same one. So square of this is equal to 3 root 2 a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square. A square means 339 root 2 root 2 2 18 plus b square 2 2 4 root 3 3 4 3 12 plus 2ab plus 2 into a into b 3 2 6 root 6 2 12 root 6 whole divided by a minus b, a plus b. This means a square minus b square. A square 3 root 2 whole square 339 root 2 root 2 2. So this is 18. Here is 2 root 3 square. A minus b, a plus b square minus b square. I have taken a square minus b square 2 2 4 root 3 3 4 3 12. So 18 12 30 plus 12 root 6 whole divided by 6. If we taken common from the numerator, then we get 6 whole into 6 common 5 plus 6 common 2 root 6 divided by 6. So 6 6 cancelled. Ultimately our answer is 5 plus 2 raised to root 6. So where is the answer? Here is the answer. Number 5. The average age of 4 brothers is 12 years. The number of brothers 12 years, sorry. 4 brothers. 4 brothers. Average is 12. Total is 48 years. Total. If the age of the mother is also included, then a mother, one member included, 4 plus 1, number of member 5. The average is increased by 5. So, the average was 12. Now it is increased by 5. So, it is 17. So, total age 85 years. 17 into 5. So, what the question is asked? The age of the mother is. So, 5 members, 85 years, 4 brothers, 48 years. The age of the mother is 85 minus 48 is equals to 37 years. So, this is the answer. Right? Number 6. Two numbers are in the ratio 17 is to 45. One number is suppose x, 17x. Other number is 45x. 1/3 of the smaller is less. Who is less? Now 1/3 of the smaller is less. That means it is less. 1/3 of the smaller is less. It is less. From whom it is less? Now 1/5 of the bigger. 1/5 of the bigger one is 45x. 1/5 of the bigger by 15. This means by 15. So 5 9. It is 9x minus 17x by 3 is equal to 15. So 21x, sorry, 27x minus 17x by 3 is equal to 15. So this is 10x by 3 is equal to 15. So x is equal to 15 into 3 by 10. 5 to 10, 5 3 15. So x is 9 by 2. But what the question is asked? The smaller number is, which one the smaller number? 17x. What is x? 9 by 2. So 17x is equals to 17 into 9 by 2. This is 153 by 2. So this is 2 6 12 1 3 2 6 12 3 3 2 7 sorry 2 7 14 1 3 2 6 12 1 0 half. So the answer is 76 half. Next comes the question number 7. A supply of juice lasts for 35 days. A supply of juice for a house lasts for 35 days. If its use is increased by 40%, use increased by 40%. Suppose 100 liter is the supply of juice. Then today use is increased by 40% means 140. The number of days would the same amount of juice last is. So percentage is here. Very much clear. Suppose 35 days, suppose if its use is increased by 40%, suppose the use is 100 before for 35 persons, 35 days. 100 liters, suppose 100 liter of juice, 35 days for supply. Then if its use increased by 40%, in case of one, it is 35 into 100 more, 100 liter juice, 35 days, 1 liter juice, used how many days? 3500. But its use is increased by 40%. So 100% plus 40%, it is 100% plus 40%. Now it is used 140%. 140%. So then 140% is equals to 3500 by 140, 7 5 35 550 by 2. This equals to 25 days. So this is the answer. So the next, Rohin sells a machine for 48 lakhs at a loss. Suppose it is CP. Loss means less than the CP. So Rohin sells a machine for 48 lakhs at a loss. So he gets below CP. So it is 48 lakhs. Then had he sold it for 60 lakhs, his gain means after the CP, this is 60 lakh, his gain would have been 5 times. Again, is 5 times the former loss. Former loss, suppose X, 5 times profit. So it is 5x. So from this to this, the gap is x plus 5x. In money, the gap is 60 lakh minus 48 lakh. So that this is 6x, this is 12 lakh. So x is 2 lakh, x is 2 lakh. So what the question is asked? Find the cost price of machine. 48 lakh is the cost price. X 2 lakhs loss. So the CP is 48 lakhs plus 2 lakhs is equals to 50 lakhs. Number 9. If rupees 5,600 amounts to 6,678. This means principal is 5,600 and the amount is 6,678. The gap in between them, 6,678 minus 5,600 is the SI. So the SI is 6,678 minus 5,600,8701. So in 3.5 years, he gets 1,078 at simple interest when 5,600 is the principal. So the SI is equals to PTR by 100. You know about this, I have discussed before. So SI is 1,078. 1,078. Where is P? 5,600. Where is R? Rate of interest is not given, PT. Suppose T is here. 3 and 1 by 2. 3 to 6 and 1, 7 by 2. T, R has not given. 100 is here. So, R percent we find out. How? Cancel 2, 28, 56. So that R is equals to 1,078 by 28 into 7. Right? So, if we cancel 7, 717, 37, 75, 35, 28, 74, 28. If we cancel both by 14, 14, 1, 14, 14, 1, 14, 14 to 28. So the R percent we find it is 11 by 2%. But the question is asked, what will rupees 9,600 amounts in, this is the principal, amounts in 5 and 1 by 4 years at the same rate of interest. This means this rate of interest. So in case of this is principal. So we have to find out the simple interest to get the amount. What will be 9,600 amounts in? Right? So SI is equals to PTR by 100 equal formula. So SI we shall find here is equal to P is 9,600, T is 5, 4, 21, 21 by 4, R we find out 11 by 2 into 100. So this is the simple interest on 9,600 rupees. So that SI is cancelled 4. This is 24. So 2 is here, 12. So lastly we conclude 12 into 21 into 11. So that this one 11, 1, 11, carry 1, 11 to 20, 11 to 22, 123 into 12. So 12, 1, 12, 2, carry 1, 12 to 30, 12 to 36, 137, 7, carry 3, 12, 2, 24, 3, 27. So 2,772 rupees is the simple interest on 9,600 capital in 5 and 1 by 4 years. So the amount is, principal is 9,600, interest is 2,772. So the amount is 2, 7, 7, 6, 13, 3, 1, 9 to 1, 11, 1, 2. So it is 12,300 372 is the answer. Right? Next come to number 10. X does 1/4 of a job in 6 days. X does 1/4 of a job in 6 days. So here is X. X does 1/4 of a job in 6 days. This means the work, 4 parts. The work is divisible by 4 parts. 1 part he has done in 6 days. So total part means 4/4 means 1. তাহলে 4/4 work in 1/4 to 6 days. 1 work 24 days. So X 1 day's work 24 days. He completed the work. So 1 day work 1/24. So X 1 day work is 1/24 parts of work. 1 day work X. Next, Y complete the rest of the job. Job is 1/4 out of 4 parts. 1 part X has done. So the rest part of 3 part 3/4 it has done by Y. Complete the rest of the job in 12 days. Why? So 3/4 parts of the work, 12 days, 1 work, 12 into 4/3, 12 into 4/3. So 1 work is equal to 16 days. So why 1 day work? 1/16 parts. But what the question is asked? Then X and Y complete the job together. Means A 1 day. A 1/24 parts of the work. B 1/16 parts of the work. Both then X and Y complete the job together. Together in one day. Together is equals to 48. This is 2. This is 3. This is 5/48 is the parts of the work. Parts of work. When it is converted into time, our question is complete the job together in how many days? So how many days? So both are 1 day. 5/48. 5/48 parts of work in 1 day. The total work in 48/5 days. This is so 48/5 means 5, 9, 45, 3 remainder by 5. So here is the answer. Right? So next come to 11. A man travels a distance of 24 kilometer at 24 kilometer at 6 kilometer per hour. Another distance, the same distance 24 kilometer at 8 kilometer per hour. The another distance, the third distance, this one 24 kilometer at 12 kilometer per hour. This means the question has asked, told us 24 kilometer, 24 kilometer, 24 kilometer. So 3 equal distances covered by a man at the 3 different speed. One is 6 kilometer per hour, other is 8 kilometer per hour, third is 12 kilometer per hour. So for this math, I have given before the shortcut formula of when the 3 equal distances is covered by a body with different speed, then how to find the average speed? I have given the formula before class. Once again, I give the formula. So, if 3 equal distances covered by a body, suppose it is 24 kilometer, 24 kilometer, 24 kilometer, then the average speed is 3xyz. I have given before, divided by xy plus yz plus zx, where x, y Z are different speed. Different speed we have taken here. So, X is 6 km per hour, 3 into 6. Y is 8 km per hour. Z is 12 km per hour divided by XY. Where is X? X, Y, 48 plus Y plus XY plus YZ. YZ 96 plus ZX 72. So this is the formula of the hour speed when a body covers 3 equal distances at 3 different speed. So this equals to 3 into 6 into 8 into 12 by 2, 6 to 8, 8. 2, 6 to 8, 8, 16, 6. Carry 1. 7, 1, 8, 9, 8, 17, 17, 4, 2, 16. So, 3 reduce, 3 reduce होता है. So, 3, 7, 3, 2, 8, 9, 3, 2, 6, 3, 3, 9, 3, 4, 12. Here is 4, here is 2. So, the answer is 8. Right? The last one. The third proportion to x by y plus y by x and x square plus y square is dash. The third proportion we have to, the question is asked. Here the third proportion, the question is asked. Let's suppose this is the first proportion is to second proportion is to third proportion. Let it be Z, right? So the formula is, I have not told you the ratio proportion, but after classes I will give. But here you understand, these two numbers is the extreme part of the ratio. It is also extreme. So you remember, if 3 are ratio, then the product of the extreme, this one, is equal to square of the mean. This one is mean. The product of the extreme is equals to the square of the mean. So that Z whole into x by y plus y by x into Z, product of the extreme, is equal to square of the mean, means root over whole square of the mean. So that Z whole into LCM is xy, y cancel, x square, x cancel, this is y square. Z into this is equal to x square plus y square, the root over square reduced. So x square plus y square. So it has cancelled, x square plus y square, x square plus y square. So Z is equal to xy. So Z is we have taken the third proportion. So the third proportion is xy. What is the answer? Here is the answer. So if you like my video, you subscribe, share it and like it. Thank you.